There are several natural ways to help boost collagen production in the skin and in your body. Today, I will show you 10 tips and much more. So stay until the end on how to improve your skin, become healthier, and also these steps will reverse and slow down the aging process. So very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. I am an aesthetics instructor, a master esthetician, and examiner for many years. I have an online aesthetics training for individuals that want to become certified estheticians. Give me comments below. Love to connect with you, so let's get started. Good skin and healthy body does take effort, time, and money, but it is worth it to look healthy, full of vitality and enthusiasm. So basically happy. So the first thing that you need to do, and I'm sure that you heard of this before, is diet. Consume food rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. This includes citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. Also, protein-rich foods like lean meat, fish, legumes also support collagen synthesis. Number 2, antioxidants. Food high in antioxidants such as green tea, dark chocolate, and fruits like grapes, cherries, and all the berries can help protect the existing collagen from damage. Additionally, take the NRF2 activator. What it does, it helps the body to produce its own antioxidants to help to fight free radical damage. And free radicals destroy a lot of things in the body. There's a lot of information on NRF2, but of course you need to take the correct supplement. And I will have links below. The one that I use is this one here. Number 3, hydration. Drinking plenty of water, herbal teas keeps your skin hydrated from within, which is crucial for the collagen's health and appearance. Number 4, avoid sun damage. Protect your skin, of course, from within, but also on the outside, like the UVR radiation, by using a mineral sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and seeking shade to prevent collagen breakdown. This one here that I'm using is 100% mineral sunscreen with broad spectrum. This is really good. Number 5, skincare. Now, you do not need to have many products, but use topical products with ingredients like natural retinoids, peptides. Now, hyaluronic acid, there is a little bit controversial, so please do your research. And NRF2 activators, which can stimulate collagen production. It will fight the free radical damage, which maintain your skin and your elasticity. The one that I use is the True Science collagen boosting supplements. There's powders, there's pills, there are liquids. Some supplements like collagen peptides, liquid collagen are the best, and it helps with the support of collagen production. The one that I use, this one here, and I will have links below, it is a little bit more on the costly side, but you do see great results, and I will upload some of the pictures of before and after, which are individuals that have been taking the product for 2 weeks, a month, 6 months, so you can see the actual difference. So these are live people. This type of collagen, because it's an activator, at the beginning you will want to drink one, and it tastes actually quite good, one per day. Now, once you start seeing the look that you want to achieve, then you can cut it in half. So you can have half a bottle per day or one every second day. So then you can stretch it so you don't have to take it every day. So number 7, do not smoke. Now, when you smoke, what it does accelerate the collagen loss. The nicotine destroys all your vitamin C in the body. The vitamin C, what it does, it holds your collagen and your connective tissue together. Now, if you destroy the vitamin C, you will start losing the elasticity. So quitting can help preserve your skin firmness and elasticity. Number 8, facial massage and lymph drainage. What it does, gentle massage can stimulate the blood flow. It removes all the toxins and potentially support the collagen production. Also, something that I love to do is tapping. When you do tapping, like tapping all over your face and your scalp and your chest area, what you're doing, again, you're stimulating blood circulation, you're stimulating like micro contraction of the muscles, so that's so good, and also you're stimulating the bone. So it's all good all the way around. So some treatments that I really encourage is micro needling. What it does is stimulates the collagen production by creating tiny punctures in the skin, triggering the body's natural healing response. This can improve your skin texture, reduces fine lines, and enhance overall collagen levels, promoting a more youthful appearance. However, do it only once or twice a month. Don't overstimulate. Radio frequency treatments can stimulate the collagen production in the skin. This technology heats the deeper layers of the skin, promoting the collagen remodeling and tightening. This can lead to improved skin elasticity and firmness and reduction in wrinkles and sagging. But again, do it only once or twice a month. Number 9, facial muscle exercising. What it does improves the tone of your muscles, and it will contribute to the reduction of sagging plus blood stimulation, and in turn it will impact collagen production, but it must be done correctly. Number 10, ensure you get enough quality sleep and manage your stress. It will rejuvenate and repair the body as it plays a role in skin health and collagen preservation and rejuvenation. When you're stressed out, a silent killer. So you need to manage your stress. How? Go for a walk, meditate, pray. Stress will cause aging. Remember that natural collagen production decreases with age. That is why that you want to do all these things, not only one thing. All the steps that I told you today, do them all. Take the time to do them. You don't have to do them every day. Just do something every day. It will make you feel good. It will give you energy, and you'll feel so good. Let me know below if you have any questions. Now, if you have not subscribed yet, please consider it. Click on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorial. And also check this tutorial coming up. I hope that you found this video to be useful and walk away with simple and easy tips. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Until the next time, take care and may God bless you.